Hello, I'm Sean Higgins, editor of Spar 3D and the Spar 3D newsletter. We're here at the Leica Geosystems booth where they're showing off two new products, one of which is a mobile mapping system, which we're here to talk about. Could you maybe tell me what it is and what's special about it?
Yes, so this is the Pegasus 2 Ultimate. This is our evolution of our mobile mapping system. We started with the Pegasus 2, and one of our biggest things is we wanted to be able for that market to grow and our customers to grow with their investment. So the Pegasus 2 Ultimate allows existing customers to do upgrades to multiple different sensors and also allows new customers coming online to invest in a system that's leading the industry.
So the sensor upgrades in it, can you maybe walk us through those and what they'll allow people to do that they couldn't do before?
Of course. So we have our side cameras, and these have been upgraded from 4 megapixels to 12 megapixels. We've changed our field of view so it's more focused, so we have a lot higher quality of data for extraction of features in the post-processing stage. On the back of the system, we have a new bay drive that allows faster access to the data, as well as more sensor ports to allow us to add more sensors like pavement cameras, thermal imagery, ground penetrating radar, and more. And probably the most exciting new feature is our new 360-degree camera. It's built off dual fisheye lens at 24 megapixels. And the most exciting part about it is it's completely stitchless imagery. So it's a new standard in the industry for mobile mapping, and it's very exciting.
So as I understand it, this particular solution is aimed for smart city applications.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes, so one of our big things is smart cities, digital cities, and being able to map those environments. And for mapping those environments, this 360 camera becomes very important because we need to be able to encompass everything around us as we map. And with a lot of imagery in the market for 360 degrees, you have a lot of stitching error. So things at the base of a building may not line up, or buildings may shift as you go up and you see like an error in the stitching. So this camera allows us to have that completely stitchless imagery that'll set the new standard of being able to do that type of mapping.
So for a technical audience who often thinks about, say, LiDAR accuracy as opposed to the quality of the image, how do you explain to people that the quality of the image is important enough to upgrade it within the new system?
So a lot of our users, whether they're doing digital cities or they're doing surveying and GIS, one of the big things that they do is they're looking for that accuracy of the LiDAR, but they're also looking for that sharing mechanism because everybody understands photos. So when we start looking at higher quality photos, people can pull out better features. It all starts to set the value of why it's important.
So it's at a certain level, it's for the data itself, but it's also for the democratization of the data, which seems like it would be necessary in a smart city application.
Oh yes, 100% agree. And one of the things we're also doing is we now have a new web viewer that's based on any device, any platform, and this starts to get all this data much faster into the hands of the users, spread throughout an entire organization, through an entire department of transportation, and started sharing much more readily amongst the general population.
And it does all this while still offering the same sort of LiDAR survey that previous Pegasus systems.
Exactly. We maintain the same high level of accuracy and the same industry-leading workflows that was already in place.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to talk with me. I appreciate it.
Okay, thanks.